Alright guys, got a new stash pickup. Just went over the weekend. Picked up a few cases. Looks like a bunch of some new product. New to me anyways. Alright, we'll start here. 16 shot Joker. Nice little 200 grammer. Got a little under half a case of those. Case of these, a 16 shot Georgie's. Case of the Rambos. I don't think any demos are out on these yet. Might have to throw one out there. Finally coming across some of this Nunya stuff. This artwork's great. Color Strike. This is a really good 25 shot cake from what I've seen so far. Really looking forward to these. Dinner with the Real Heroes, 16 shot. He's got little longer tubes than most of these other 200 grammers, so looking forward to that. American Pride. I believe this is this is new for 2023. And so is the Dinner with Heroes. New batch of Cupheads. These look nice. $19 shot. Alright, I got some shells. Definitely some oldies with goodies. Couldn't pass up the price at all. Oh, glories, baby. Had to get the Master 7s too. Case of the Warrior shells. And last but not least, finally came across these bad boys. I'm pumped about this. This is why I made the trip. Yeah, man, got two of them. And then all I could grab of these were just a single box. So try to get a case next time, but that's it for now.